Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the Punjab University MPhil and PhD notification for the year 2021 and 2022. So in this video we are going to discuss the important dates, eligibility, entrance, the procedure, everything we are going to discuss in this video. So before that, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that we are making the videos related to different PhD, MPhil, UG and PG admissions in the reputed universities in India and abroad. So you will get all the latest notifications if you subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin the video. So as you can see, we are into the official website of this Punjab University. In the left hand side, here you can check the read more news. Once you click on this, you will go to this page, and here you can check the PU, that is Punjab University MPhil and PhD entrance test 2021 on 12th September. So once you click on view more, so you will go to this page. So this is the information for the candidate, particularly for the PhD and MPhil admission entrance test. So this page is dedicated for this. So once you visit, then you need to click on this. So this is the page. You'll have to check it. Alright. So let us see what is the prospectus. We'll check all the important dates, online registration, login, everything. It is there. So we'll discuss one by one. So please watch the video till the end. We'll make this video very short so that you will get all the latest information regarding this. So please watch the video till the end. So here is the prospectus. So we will directly go to the seat numbers. So here you can check the MPhil and PhD seats. Alright, so you can check the departments and along with that the seat number. For the MPhil subject it is 15, it is 2. So like this, Department of Defense, National Securities, you can check the number of seats. So all the seats you can check. So here is the Faculty of Science, you can check. So in the Faculty of Science, MPhil seats are not available, so you need to only apply for the PhD subjects here. Alright, so like this only. For the Faculty of Languages, you can check only the Department of English and Cultural Affairs, the MPhil seats are available, and also the School of Punjab Studies, it is Punjabi, it is 20 seats are available, and Sanskrit it is 20 seats, and you can check the PhD seats also. So like this you can check the details of this PhD seats. Alright, so Faculty of Engineering is also available, but in engineering there will be no MPhil program, only the PhD program will be available. Alright, so let us see what are the procedure for the admission. So admission will be through the online entrance examination along with the personal out interview. So let us see. So there will be a written test, along with that and mandatory interview for this. So the 15% candidates for the scheduled caste, that will be the reservation for MPhil program. Alright, and 7% around for the scheduled tribes, 5% for the backward classes, and 5% for the PWD, that is persons with disability. Alright, so you can check the details here. So I am skipping this, so you can check it by your own. Alright, so let us see. As I have told you, there will be an entrance test. So the entrance test will be, there will be paper number 1 and paper number 2 will be there. Alright, so one will be for the objective type, there are multiple choices. It will be for 1 hour, and maximum mark will be 50. and questions will be also 50. Paper 2 is for 2 hours and maximum marks will be 50, and questions to be attempted it is 5. So that means each questions will carry 10 marks. Alright. So use of calculator for paper 2 is allowed, however use of programming calculator is not allowed. So you will get the details regarding this entrance test here. So interview will be also there, right, as I have told you, and like the other universities also the same procedure the Punjab University is following. So fellowship is also available. A few university fellowships are available for the PhD research. If the successful candidates wish to consider for the university fellowship, they should report to the respective department. So if you are interested for the fellowship, then you need to contact your respective departments, so they will allow you the fellowship. Alright. So here are some general rules. You can check the details from here. So it is for the regarding the entrance test and all. So here are some of the contact details are given. Alright, you can note down the contact numbers here. Alright, so let us see what are the important dates. So once you click on this, you can check the important dates. So this will be the last date. Last date submission fee through online mode, it is 27th. Okay, 27th August. Alright, and last date of uploading photograph signature with the rest of the information to the website till 30th August. Okay, the final date by which the roll number will be available till 8th September for the examination. Okay, so there will be no physical communication for this purpose. Candidates will who have not completed their form but have paid the requisite fee can complete their form by paying from 10 AM to 4 PM with the late fee of 500 rupees. So there will be an late fee if you are delaying your application. Okay, you can check here the date of the examination. Like I have told you, that is paper number 1, paper number 2. The timing you can check, and it will be on this date. Alright, so this is the information, and there will be also one application fee for this. So here you can check the steps. Okay, so what are the documents are required? So your matric plus 2 certificates are also required. Enter correct mail ID, post graduation registration number. These are all important documents like the other universities you need to fill, and after depositing the fee you need to log in this. You need to come to this website, you will have to log in this. Okay, and then you can, so if you are new to this website, then you need to have a registration first, then you can log in this. So I have told you there will be an fee for this PhD admission. So this is the fee, it is mentioned here in the brochure. You can check in the first page itself, there is a fee that is non-refundable fee. For the general category it is 2175, it is 2175, and for SC/ST it is 1088. So the fee which is non-refundable, that is for the general category it is 2175, and for the SC/ST it is 1088. So you need to check this application fee. Okay, so this is all about for the PhD admission notification, PhD along with the MPhil admission notification for the Punjab University 2021. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, then please press the like button, and please subscribe our channel so that you will get all the latest notifications regarding different PhD, MPhil, UG and PG admissions in different reputed universities in India and abroad. So please join our Telegram channel and other social media handles. Links are in the description, and I will also put this notification link in the description so that you can go and check it. So you can also check our other videos available in our YouTube channel and support our channel by pressing the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon in another video.